Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious elbow macaroni. First, gather your simple ingredients: elbow macaroni, water, and a pinch of salt. You'll also need a large pot and a colander for draining. Having everything ready before you start makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. A little salt in the water really brings out the pasta's natural taste, so don't skip that step. It's all about setting yourself up for success. Now let's get cooking. Fill your large pot with water and bring it to a vigorous, rolling boil. Once it's bubbling, add a generous pinch of salt. This seasons the pasta from the inside out. Carefully pour in your elbow macaroni, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Stir occasionally to prevent the pasta from sticking together. This initial stage is crucial for evenly cooked macaroni. Continue cooking your macaroni according to package directions, usually for about 7 to 10 minutes, until it's al dente tender but still firm to the bite. Once cooked, carefully pour the macaroni into a colander to drain all the water. Do not rinse if you're serving it hot, as this removes the starch that helps sauce adhere. Serve your perfectly cooked macaroni immediately with your favorite sauce or cheese. To prevent your macaroni from sticking when making cold salads, rinse it with cold water after draining. For hot dishes, serve immediately. Remember, the key to great pasta is avoiding overcooking. Aim for that perfect al dente bite. And speaking of fresh, life's too short for a stinky car. Keep your ride smelling fantastic with a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to grab yours, along with other great deals. Happy cooking, and enjoy your perfect macaroni.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.